Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shraddha. So today I will talk about the test runner and code generator. So it is very useful if we are performing any action on the web page. So it will record and play. So let's get started this series and I will show you how to do that. First, you can see in the terminal we will write the command npx Playwright Codegen and enter. So once you enter the Codegen in the terminal, it will open two windows. First is Playwright Inspector, you can see, and this one is the window where we will perform all the action. So first I need to provide a URL www.beaches.com and click. So you can see here in the Playwright Inspector, as soon as I provided the URL, it will record here, or those actions are recorded here. And after that I will click on the personal care, skin care. So everything is going to records, and click on the delivery option, click on the serum treatment. Whatever action we are doing here, it will record into this Playwright Inspector. So suppose I will check the offers, click on coupons. So you can see here everything is recorded here. So this is the JavaScript or Node.js test runner. And if we want to change the language, what we need to do here, we can click on this arrow and you can see Node.js test runner and Java. If we want to change the language in a Java, so we can select the JUnit and you can see here annotation test and use Playwright. This orientation comes in the JUnit, and this is the JUnit. You can see here target JUnit. If we want to change into the .NET, so we can select NUnit and it will start to showing in the NUnit. So and okay, if you want to copy all this action here, let me change into the test runner, because by default I already set the JavaScript. So if we want to manually copy all this thing, so we can do it. Yes, Control C, and you can see this is the test folder. Under this test folder, JS, all these are JavaScript file. So we can select any file and paste it here. Suppose I will select this file or this test block, and here I can paste it, but I need to these two lines I need to delete, and this one is also I want to delete it. Okay, so manually, this is the manual way where we can, okay, this is the manual way. This is the manual way we can paste here, copy in this Playwright Inspector and paste it here, any file. Or if we want to automatically, it should be pasted in the file we don't need to go manually and copy here and then paste in the file. What we need to do, so we have another command, Control C, it will start with the second line. So we can write the npx, let me close this one, save and close. Okay, so npx Playwright Codegen. Every time we have to write the Codegen because Codegen open the browser window and Playwright Inspector window. So Playwright Inspector window, what it will do, it will record all the action whatever we perform on the browser window. So Codegen and space hyphen output put, or we can simply write the hyphen o, and first we need to create a folder. So this is the test folder. Under the test folder I want to create a file. So test file name we need to provide demo and demo2 .spec.js and enter. So what it will do, this command, it will create a one file under the test folder and open this two windows. So whatever the action we will perform in this browser window, it will record in the inspector, Playwright Inspector. So, and it will automatically record into that file. Let me show you. www.bgs.com, and we enter this page. I mean, its page is open. And we want to select any, suppose I'm P2 and garden, selecting grilling, and here I'm going to select this one and just and go back in the personal care, oral care, and click on so those action, whatever action I perform on this page, this browser window, it will automatically record in the Playwright Inspector. And let me go in our Visual Studio Code, and we can see here demo2 is created here. This file is created under this test folder, and I want to open it. So once I will open this file, we can see whatever the recorded by Playwright Inspector, the same code we can see in this file. So without using the manually copy and paste, it is automatically recorded in this file and also created a file here. So this command through we can do the both things. We have to go and perform in the browser window whatever the action we will perform, that is record in the Playwright Inspector, and those action is automatically recorded in this file and also created the file. So this is the easy way rather than going in the manually. And Control C, change it, the line. And if we want to check that which language we want to see this test or the whatever we are performing the action, which language we want, so what we need to do, npx Playwright Codegen. Always keep in mind Codegen we need to write, and hyphen target, and which language. By default it is in a Java script, because I have already selected the JavaScript. If we want to change the language, what we need to do here, suppose I want to change in the Python, so I will provide the Python here and enter. So it will open the two windows, and this you can see, this is the, I think Python. You can see here it is in the Python programming language, def here, because Python is also used we can multiple language use with the Playwright. So you can see here the Python and PyType library. So this is the Python code. So in this way we can specify which language we want to use it. And if we need to perform the action on the simulator, what we need to do here, so npx Playwright Codegen and space device hyphen device and then provide the iPhone 13, 12 or 13, like 13 I'm just providing here, close it, space hyphen browser, and I'm just providing the Chromium and enter. Okay, so sometime it is not working with that. So you can see here it is showing all the everything. It will work on this BlackBerry, Galaxy, Note landscape, everything is showing up here. And here you can see the iPhone 13 is also iPhone 12, iPhone 13 Pro. So it will, those action will perform on the simulator. So let me check one more time why it's not showing up this hyphen browser. Control C, use the new terminal, and Chromium, and let's see. Okay, again it's showing up the same thing. Okay, I'll just see why it's not working, but every time it's work and sometimes it's not working. That's not a problem. So one more thing, npx Playwright Codegen and enter. It will open this window, and I will perform www.beaches.com and select this one, travel travel, and we can see here the cruise. So I want to select on the cruise.